This is the truth when fixing an abandoned or project boat and making it your dream boat. Being back on Alma after getting the engine fixed has been great. During these times, we are being safe at home, but our sailboat Alma was not always cozy, inviting, or even sailable. How we got here has been a long, hard-working task. For those who are considering buying an abandoned or project boat to fix, here are some realities to keep in mind that may help in your decision. When we saw Alma, an Ericsson 41 made in 1969, we fell in love with her. We could see her potential and believe that this was our first step to making our sailing dream come true, which in our case it was, but to be honest, we did not realize how much work it would take. With almost every project we have done, it usually takes 3 times or more the amount of work and time you initially thought. Due to more unexpected issues surfacing.
We're facing a really ugly surprise.
So, we'll see how it comes out.
Lots of brainstorming to figure out how to fix it. And searching for the correct parts to use. Or simply the weather. A lot of projects that I was planning on getting done, but sometimes it doesn't work out. What helped us was putting realistic time frames and checklists of what was to get done. Instead of trying to get 10 things done in one day, we would mark off each boat project whenever it was finished. We'd also add 3 times the time frame, so if we got it done earlier, it felt like an achievement rather than a setback. Why not just save money and buy a ready-to-go boat? If you don't enjoy projects or fixing things, this is recommended. Depending on the cost of the sailboat, how much work it needs, and how you spend the money, it could either be less, same, or more money than getting a ready-to-go boat. For how well set up Alma is now, it would have cost us more to buy a ready-to-go boat in her condition that has all the bells and whistles. Any boat project, big or small, can get costly fast since boat parts are expensive. To save money, we went to local secondhand marine stores for parts, bought things in bulk, did the work ourselves, and shopped online for good deals. It is common to not see much change when doing your boat refit. Actually, for the first 3 years, we saw our boat look worse because we were doing structural work. It can feel defeating when you spend so much time working on something and not see any change. We're both just really frustrated.
we're up to here because this is the second time we thought it was done. We spent the whole day doing it, and now it's basically for nothing.
What we did to lift our spirits up was we started doing cosmetic work. The headliner was the first big cosmetic job, which made a huge difference. We found that doing cosmetic projects here and there to give your boat a facelift and lift your spirits can help. Conducting a massive boat project is a big sacrifice. We worked on our abandoned sailboat almost every day for over 4 years after working full-time jobs. We sacrificed time with friends, going out, and a lot of things that young couples usually do. You have to ask yourself, is the sacrifice worth it? When you finally finish your once project sailboat, it is an amazing feeling of accomplishment.
It's here. Almost ready.
Being able to see the sailboat transformation is like no other. This is the part we loved. Seeing our once abandoned sailboat Alma turn into a classic beauty gave us chills. We were so proud of what we were able to achieve. The bonus is that you truly know your sailboat at the end of the project. You spent so much time, hard work, and dedication, and now it's time to enjoy it. These are just a few things that we found to be true about buying and fixing an abandoned or project sailboat. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It's a fast and free way to help us out. We want to give a shout out to our newest patrons. Thank you so much for joining the sailing family and for your support. We really appreciate it. If you want to join our sailing family and further support our journey and help improve the quality of these videos, check out the link below. With as little as $2 a month, you can have access to neat rewards. Every bit goes a long way.